What's going on, everybody? How's everybody doing today? So I was watching YouTube learning how to do this astrophotography, and I watched a guy. He had a DSLR camera and he had a Rokanon 14mm lens, but he failed to tell you a couple things. I'm here to tell you what you need to know in order to get this to work. So with the Rokanon 14mm lens, it is an EF lens and will not fit on the EOS RP camera. So you need an adapter. I got a T-ring, I got a T2 to EOS M, none of that worked. So this here is what you're going to need. It's an EF to EOS R adapter. This here will hook directly to your right to your camera. Take the lens right like that. Now you're out there late at night, you're all excited to get some nightscape photographs with your wide angle 14mm lens that you finally got an adapter that it'll work. You turn your camera on, you frame up your shot, you push the shutter, and it doesn't work. Now what? Here's the answer. So hopefully you can see this, but you go and you push the menu button right here, and it takes you to the menu, and it is the orange part of the menu, which will be this one over here. Let's see here if I can, I don't know if you can see that, but right there it says C.FN.3 operation/others. You want to click that. And if you look right up here at the top, it says release without lens, or release shutter without lens. You want to enable that. You want to enable that, and then hit menu to go back, hit menu again, menu to go the whole way out, and now it'll work. I looked all over the internet, could not find the answer. Finally, I found it in a small section of a forum. So hopefully that helps you out, and hopefully we can get some astrophotography pictures going here soon.